Sorry, yeah, sorry, yeah. Yeah. So please use this command which I already posted on chat box, and use it here. I use the same command here, and I just enter it. So what I found float 6413. It means int 64 3, object 12. So and d type is int 64. So it means there are 13 type of float 64 column names were available. Data were available. 13 type means 13 unique types. Int 64 means three unique int 64 type of columns were available. And object means the name which were mentioned here, means I'm talking about this here. Yeah, so these are color, or these are considering under object. So there were 12 data, not data, I need to say column, which have a this data type. Okay, so actually my purpose is to go one by one deeper level, like what we can find from this Panda commands. Okay, now we have this command. I'm just typing it and paste it. You just use this. Not here. Okay, good, wonderful. What I did, I just simply array. You people know very well. I know. I'm assuming that you people know the array. So movie is a kind of array, you can say. And the name of the field is, which I column name, I just single quotes, I put it here and close the bracket and enter it. So I found all the, yeah, here is the three dot means the values are here, but it is not showing just because of size, but all values are here. So whatever the director names are available, director names are means, here you will see, here is this director. So field name I copied from here, and Scott, Nan, Benjamin, Daniel. So all the names are here. Okay, now we can do in this way also. Movie dot director names. Just try.
Okay.
Yeah. So either we can go for the movies dot director name, or movie bracket quotes director name, column name. So two way we can find the same thing. Okay, so I believe I am not fast. Okay, I pasted here all the, I pasted whatever the code in green, I pasted. And here what I'm going to do, I'm going to inspect the head of each series. Series, what is series? Series is oh, what is series? Series is this is called the column director critic. These all columns, list of all the values in this column in color. This is called the series director. In this column, whatever the values are there, it is calling series. Num critic for reviews, it is calling under series. So whatever in one column and the values are there, it is calling the series. So I'm just going to just inspect what is the value. So what I need to do, I'm just copied this. and then director dot head. Okay.
It's working for me, but yeah, I
Uh,
tried a little only.
okay, fine.
How did you get the data? Oh, this is working fine now.
Yeah. Please tell me. Anyone wants to talk to me? Okay, so
Manish,
direct.
we lost you.
Yeah, true. Actually, it was showing that it was re-establishing the connection. In India, this is the good facility. Every 15, 20 minutes, they are giving break. Okay, so in Bangalore, this kind of situation is. Uh, okay, fine. So director dot movie, what I did, I just created the via director dot movie. I just create one variable. You can understand in this way. I create one variable which name is director. Whatever the values are here, it will represent to director only. And director dot head. Once I press, I copy director dot head. I found the top five directors. Five directors will show here. Top five means those counts are more. Okay, simply. Okay, so we can go for here also. Please do this also because I believe I use somewhere. Okay. Hey, Roshan. Okay, Roshan, I will check it. Don't worry. What I will do once it will done, I will help you. Don't worry. So meanwhile, you can concentrate on Jupyter Notebook only. Don't worry. But I will explain. So what I did, movie actor one Facebook Live. So okay. So whatever the values are here, it is showing under this name. because I created one variable actor1 fb like, so it is showing here. Okay, so this is my that I want. If I will do this, it should be give only top 5. This is okay, fine. So now I'm coming here. Okay, so what is director size, director shape, and length, director? We can check it because how many, yeah, like we already created director. So what we want, I will just copy and paste it here. So I will just use only one syntax. Yeah, 496. It is a size means number of unique values. It is 4916 values. Values are available in this director size. Um, if you will use director dot shape also, you will find the counting the number of items in the series. Director is a series. Whatever the column, whatever the under one column, whatever the values, it is calling a series. And if we want to get the number of items in one series, we will use the director which we already created, director dot size, or we can go in the different way, director dot shape. In director dot shape also we can find the number of items. I can show you. These are the ways. Ah, okay. Similarly, if you people will use length, the same meaning. Yeah. So we find that these are the different ways to find how many items in one series. So that series we director we created here. You can either we can go for this also. We will find the same thing. Okay. Now I'm coming here. Now a little basic statistics. If we want to do, we want to find some statistics. How we can find? I'm just copy and paste it here. Hey, it should work. Uh, it should work. In my case, it is working. Try director dot. Okay, one thing I also missed. I will help you here. Director dot count. Just press. I will share this 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 notebook also. I will share. So what will happen in future? Tomorrow you will go. Today, you will just copy this notebook which I am doing here. So it will you will just import this notebook and you can it will helpful for you people all. So I will share this also. Okay, this is the count which you are people are finding here. The difference is 4916 is the total value. Hey, still you are getting error. uh, it should not be error. Track more recent call, name error. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, do one thing. I believe. Have you tried this before going to here? You just tried this first. You tried this first, and then you try this. Then there will be no error because control enter. Okay, so you just try first this, then it will create one variable, and then we are going to find out the director dot size, director dot count. No, I'm just going to explain you what is the difference in count and director size. Why director size is more? Because in director size, few values are null also, where there is no value. It is also count under the size, but when you are counting the director dot count, it will show only those cell. It will count only those cell value where there is no null value. Okay, so that's the reason there is a difference. Earlier was 4916 and 4814. So it means around 100 of items are null values. Okay. Okay. Great. Good. Okay. So so now I'm going here. This failed to interpret movie.class as a pickle. Ram, what I feel, just try it again to import the Ram. Okay, I will check your screen. Don't worry, I will check your screen. Uh, or you can do in this way. What I did, uh, I imported here. In this way, I imported. I created one. I created one folder here, and in that folder, I uploaded the CSV file, which movie.csv file, and once I click, the folder will be look like this, and on top of that folder I uploaded the movie.csv file, and then after I click on the house icon. Once I click the house icon, I came here, I clicked it, and go on top and just rename the folder name. So yeah, please do this, otherwise I will help you. Don't worry, after class I can help you. Okay. And for you people, for your help, I will share this whole um, Python file to you can use it. Okay. Okay. So okay. Yeah. So I just pasted this. Please copy and control. Yeah. So what we found it here, we already created, just check this code, copy and paste, and just see what is coming. The actor one every like dot min, it will show the only minimum value. It is showing what is the minimum value is here, 0.0. Okay, if I'm going to type actor one every like dot max, the max value in this, I'm just using the same column, and under the same column, what is the minimum value, what is the maximum value. So how we can find it? I'm just in a one link only, in a one syntax only, I given the whole command, so which will help you. Actor one heavy like dot max value, so it is almost 6 lakhs 40,000. Yeah. And actor actor 1 f we like minimum mean value means average value. Average value is this. Okay, median is the median value is this, and standard deviation is this. This is a standard deviation, and sum is this. All value sum up. So I hope everyone understand these things. Okay, please use this. Uh, I already pasted one more command. Ah. Okay, so what is meaning in this? Total count, how many counts are there? Mean in describe in a means in a summary, whatever the summary we can find in a one simple command only. Um, but few things are not here, but in general you will get everything like count, total counts are there. You will count the mean value, you count standard deviation, you count the mean value, you count 25 second quartile, third quartile, and you will find the max value. So everything is here in the summary describe. For example, when you upload the data, you want few things to see, and data is a huge data, so you can't find in this way. So describe is very helpful. So whatever the command which I mentioned here, it is very useful when you people will use the CSV file or whatever via Panda. You have a data and you want to get the information about the data, so these commands will helpful that period. Okay. Similarly, we can go for the describe also. I'm just one more time I want to do. Yeah. So okay, now very good thing. Here, why it is not showing mean, why it is not showing uh, 25%, 50%, why it is different with the on top one and second one is why? Because here in director all were a text value, so we can't find the mean value of the text. So yeah, very good, Roshan, very good. So and frequency is 26, and because and the number which was Steven Seppelberg, it is the top variant which was more times it come into the series. So and data type is object. So that's why it is the difference. Correct. Very correct. So I will not use this because yeah, I already use this command. Now I'm interested to write this command, director.value.count.head3. So this will give top three. So how I will find the top three? You will use you will use yeah, in director counts, value counts. It will count the all the unique value. It will count all the unique value, and I am interested only first three, top three. If I will give here top seven, yeah, top seven. So whatever we will put into the braces, it will show that numbers only. Okay, fine. Now I'm typing a very interesting Okay, I'm just checking. I already. Okay, session is being recorded. Okay, so um, here is actor one is null sum. Yeah. So is null means how many this values are null, and some total 7 values are null in this. So if you people will find that how many uh, how many values are how many items are null in this particular series. So how you can get it? You will get the is null means you already till here you already got earlier. Okay, you'd have to just is null dot sum. So you will find the total count, how many items are null. Okay. So whatever I'm pasting here, it is very much important things. It is I'm doing everything is purposely. Okay. So here is uh, okay. Um, Here is the mean value of all the nulls. Means suppose 4 values are there, so we did only the mean of that values which are null. So means if suppose 4 values are done, so out of 4 divided by total number, it is counting is the null average value. So average this much is null values. So 0.00142 average null values in this. Okay, so now one more good thing which I want to do it here. I want to go for changing the index value, because earlier the indexes I'm just going to show you uh, here on top. These are the 4911 4912 4913. These are the indexes, but I want these indexes are not so uh, not useful. It not yeah. Okay, so I want in place of these indexes, I want title. So how I can do it? I can go Roshan. Uh, yeah, yeah. So actor is okay. So actor. Suppose I want to set the index. So what we can do? You can go for here. Hey, no, no, no. So please write this code. Second line is important. First line is already you people write earlier, so no need. We'll do it here. And then movie to ah now you can see uh, now in place of index it is showing the movie name. So what I did just I set the index uh, and uh, and it is showing this. On alternate way, what we can do, I'm not, you can do in this way also. Movie 3, you can type. I'm just pressing 3 so that at least we can differentiate. Okay, now there is a two way we can do it. Means, for example, on the first time only I want to use this title. So we will just uh, panda pd dot read csv, the folder name slash movie dot csv, comma, index underscore column call equal to movie title. So what will its meaning is, in place of index column you have to change into movie title. Movie title is already there in this sheet in CSV file. So we have to just set what we want in place of index column. So yeah. Now I want to movie 3. Okay, fine. So you people can play, because once you people will get the information, you can do this, and output will look like. Okay, fine. Okay, now I'm coming up to little more thing. I want to add a column in the screen, because for example we want to do something on the column. So what I want to just add one more column. So how I can do, I can create in this way. Yeah. Okay. Mm. So this, now you can see, when you will check the column name, it already added this column name is also. We can go for here. Yeah, sorry, I will just, last index you can see has seen. So now this column I customly I added in this screen. So now has seen is also here, and by default its value is 0, which I defined here. Okay, so now one more thing I want to do. I want one profit index should be there. So what I can do, how I can do, I can go in this way. And one more thing I want to tell you, profit column, movie dot column dot get LOC gross plus one. What is the meaning of this? I will just first I will copy and paste, and then I will explain you what is the meaning. Okay, then P. Ah, uh, its meaning is movie dot column in inside in movie, the column name get LOC, the location name means 0 1 2 3. So where the gross column is available, just add one more column, one more value plus 1. Suppose its value is 8 plus 1, so profit index should be 9. because here till here we get the value 8. I'm 100% sure. Uh, 8 after 8 you will find the gross. So I can show you. Yeah, here is gross. So after gross, uh, here is I want profit index here. So how I can do it? Now I want to add this profit index after gross. So what code I need to write? I want to write this code, and one more thing, in this profit index column I already decided. Yeah. No, 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 no. No, it is probably must pretty much the same, I guess. Yeah, very good. But
Yeah, I got the same result.
yeah, okay, fine, fine. So it profit index actually, I want to add one more column, and this column value should be movie gross amount minus budget amount. Okay, so I want to add a custom column with some values, and those values are already available into the different column value into the different value into different column. So it will uh, what it will do, it will just calculate the value and show the data. So Ram, am I correct?
Yes, Manish.
Yeah, okay. So hey, what happened? Oh, maybe duplicate. It should not be duplicate. Sorry. So already there. So now I want to see. Uh, just hold on. Okay. So here I found profit. Profit is a profit which I found from minus the budget, and yeah, this is the location name. Location number means 9, and name which I had given profit, and this profit value calculated from movie gross column value minus budget. Budget is one more column, and whatever the value, it is showing here. Okay, so okay, now I want to delete, because everything I want to do, I want to add, I want to delete. So delete. Yeah. So what it is showing? It is showing that maybe I typed something wrong. Yeah, okay. Anyway, maybe I typed something wrong. If I want to delete something else, has seen also, it will delete. Just a minute. I'm just checking which column I created, or has underscore seen. Yeah. So now it deleted. So I just want to check whether it is deleted or not. So now hashing should not be there. Good. Gone. Okay. So, okay. So till today, I want to do this only. Rest tomorrow. What my agenda is, I'm just explaining you people. I will share this sheet. Um, this whole sheet I will share so that you people can do the practice. File already you will have, so you can do and do 4 and 5 times. I'm just going you. I'm just telling you. Whatever the time you can spend earlier, it will comfortable time in future. So most of the time people forget the syntax. So better you should do n number of times, and whenever you and type on paper and pen, rather than only on typing on keyboard. Type sometimes when you are using paper, it will more useful. So because always our mind work along with pen and paper. So this is class 3. I will share this notebook also, and I will explain how you can use this notebook. When you have a notebook, you can, uh, when we start algorithm over the algorithm for what? Parameter, tuning the parameter. Ah, hey, Suman, everything will, I can help you. Algorithm design, everything I will help you. Not now, even I did not start classification and everything. So one by one, because my goal is, I believe, I don't know till now Python. First, I will learn the Python. Then I will start step by step. I will do the processing and decision tree and random forest. I will do the linear regression classification. So everything I will do. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will do step by step. So I believe till now my friends don't know anything. So I will do step by step. Yeah, of course, algorithm. You will become master. Don't worry. Okay. So Ah, yeah, sure. So I'm just explaining how, if when I will give you this file, I'm sharing you how you will get this file. You will just, in this way, download this notebook. Here. Okay. So desktop, it is saved here. When I will give you, you people will just upload this. Hey, no audio. Uh, I'm not audible.
Yeah, I can hear.
Ah, hey.
I can hear you, Manish.
Okay, great. So, please. So what we can do? Suppose I will give that file, which is just I copied here. This file, you will just upload this file, and you will utilize. I'm just showing how you can upload. You can just upload this file here and upload. So class 3. Just now I did. That's wonderful. So you will find all the code with the output. So I will share after the class. I will share this screen and this whole file and video link. I have no idea. Like I'm just uploading the video, so I have no idea who is giving you the link. But the same link you will find after half an hour because I need to download this video and convert into, so it will take almost half an hour. Then you can okay. So for today this is okay. I'm not going more on after this, and next day we'll do this. Okay. Any more question?